Let's meet Mr. Arthur. He wanted to buy boiler economizers to reduce the overall cost of his steam and hot water production. So, he visited the site of O'Brien Boiler Services Proprietary Ltd and ordered high-functional steam boiler economizers. Their advanced models had hinged, stainless steel access doors and exhaust gas bypasses. Moreover, their trained professionals also installed the economizers expertly. Mr. Arthur was overwhelmed with their top-notch services. So, like him, do you also want to buy modern boiler economizers? Browse o'brienenergy.com.au or call 1300771759 for more details.